Got a floaty, huh?
Yeah.
A new one?
Yeah.
Nice.
We got it yesterday.
Spud a hole.
Nervous?
It's not great.
It is fucking soft. That shit that's down there is like, we're standing on like 4 inches of ice with 4 inches of slush. It's only an addiction if you've had to suck a dick for it.
There's some truth to that, I'd say.
So that means I'm not addicted to beer. It's looking up.
First hole. And wake everybody up. That seemed like a lot of ice.
Yeah.
Dude, that's a foot of ice.
It's all just slushy crap, but
There's a decent amount of it, though. Wow, you fucking stink.
well, that's why I was
Is
trying
it
to air out my jacket.
creeping up in your hole?
Fuck.
These pants are too insulated. It just holds it on. I have to leave my zipper open all day.
Ooh.
Listen to you guys.
It's not good.
If somebody needs a jig and something.
Is that a fishy?
I don't know.
You think it's a big old bass? Like that one?
It could be. Yeah. I don't think they did too bad drilling those. That thing says rolled toilet paper. Oh, this one's
Came up from the
nice
bottom
too.
like a
It's got a
rocket.
little screen on the back so I
Ooh.
can see where I'm pointing it.
You shit my pants. That thing. It'll work. Where's his buddies?
This is a nice camera. Good thing we get the floaty on it so it doesn't go to the bottom of the lake.
I'm gonna get it back. I'm gonna get that camera back.
Alright. So, the fellas and I went fishing yesterday. We didn't catch a ton of fish, but we got some really good footage. Wrapping things up. I stand up out of the chair and in goes the camera. Right in our giant freaking 10-inch hole. I'm going back up there now on my lunch break. I'm going to try and do some more fishing. Except with a magnet. I don't know if there's any sort of metal on the camera or the stand that I have for it. Or we're going to try. If that doesn't work, I brought a brake rotor and I made a buoy. I'll tie that off and hopefully it'll be there in the spring. I don't know if the camera is going to be usable. It is waterproof. I don't know if the memory card's going to be any good. That's really what I'm hoping to get back, but let's get back out on the ice, see what happens. Made it to our spot. There's our holes. Let's see what happens. I couldn't fish it out with a magnet, but I got a buoy right there. I don't know if you can see it through the ice. I'm not sticking my hand in there, it's cold as hell. But I can see my buoy just under the surface of the water. Hopefully you can find it in the spring.
Apparently Jeff's the only one that's gonna catch any fish today.
Just rocketed right up.
A little bit smaller bluegill.
Pretty. Parked him on the ice for now. Man, he wanted that thing.
Andy's outside playing the tip-up game. He says it's still cold out there. We're in here. It's nice and warm.
Something going on and it's bad. There's a problem. There's something wrong. Something's going on. We've got to figure out what's going on. Bomb. We have to find out what's going on. I called the mayor. I said, what's going on? What's going on? We have to figure out what's going on. There's something going on.
There's no fish out here.
Mr. Big Mouth.
Woo!
That's pretty.
He played hard to get.
All right. Look at that lipstick.
Mr. Big Mouth? I've been wondering where they are. We haven't caught one yet today, and there's a lot of these.
All right. All right.
It came in.
Should come here in the spring sometime and try and catch those.
It came in. It missed it once. I don't know how those haven't caught one yet. It missed it the first time, and then it came back. And I was thinking crappie because the first time it lifted. And I set the hook, and I'm thinking, oh, this is good. This is a big crappie. Wasn't no crappie. That's probably why the sunfish are gone.
Hopefully you scared him off that way.
Still not warm out there.
No,
Yeah.
not exactly warm, but hole hopping seems to be paying off a little bit.
For you?
Yeah, I was gonna say. I caught like what?
5, 6, 7, 8, and then big old bass.
Maybe if I take a nap and then wake up, it'll be like a new day and I'll start catching fish.
Maybe. You should have brought a better chair than that. You might have to clean out the sled and go land that. I'm about to go outside and catch a few, I think. Number 3.
I'll take it. That's a good one. It's hefty.
Want me to put it on your hook and throw it back in so you can reel it up?
May need some pliers if we got. No, we're good.
These are
All
nice.
right. It's pretty. Number old Trace.
Poor Matt ain't caught nothing yet.
It's these fucking mouses.
That thing came out of nowhere, just like the other ones, man. Well, fishing slow. Take this opportunity to promote our t-shirt sales. If there's a size or color you want, long sleeve, short sleeve, send us an email. normaldudesfishing@gmail.com. Shoot you a price.
Holy fuck.
Oh, I saw it.
That was a
Big perch.
That was a perch like that. Are you freaking kidding?
Back on it.
Maybe not as big as the, oh my god. Oh no. Not as big as the last one, but I'll take it.
It's the Andy show today.
Go back down and come back the other way. Head first. Yep, like that.
Why so jumpy?
I don't want to get hooked.
That's a good eater right there.
And again. Why couldn't we catch them in the summer? Apparently they're only good here in the winter.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
$5.
Bye-bye.
That was straight.
Go in there. Hopefully if we can make it some got it. Got it.
Right in the door.
We got the wind to our advantage.
Yeah.
Here. Maybe I gotta get it higher. Help it carry it.
Almost made it in the bucket. Needs business now.
Yep.
We're calling it. We've been out here since a little after 5 o'clock. What time is it now? Probably 2? Yeah, feels like 2.
Just enough beer to make the day. Tip ups failed us.
Our new camera didn't fail us though. Fuck yeah.
And it's not in the lake. So that's
Yeah.
good. I wish I could have got that big part.
And he broke his rod.
I was still catching fish with the broken piece against the lure. I think I might leave it on there.
Yeah, I think that was giving you an advantage. It was like making it extra shiny. Fish are like, what's that? We're out.
Never know. Might hit it at the right day and hit our limit on crappies and get shit-faced. I have to call our wives to come get us. My lucky fishing shirt. My wife was gonna throw this thing away. She goes, it's yellow and all tattered, and I'm like, you ain't throwing that shirt away. I've caught way too many fish with that shirt on. Any second now.